At Audio Motorsports, the team is installing a Hertz sound system into a 1957 Chevy Bel Air. To customize the audio experience, 6x9 Hertz Milli Pros are being installed on the rear deck. And flush mount 6.1/2 Hertz speakers are being installed in the kick panels. A Kenwood stereo is being installed in the glove box. And the entire system is being powered through an Alpine type or 4-channel amplifier. The end result is an incredible, clean and acoustical sound experience. Our sound specialist got awarded with Best Audio Trophy.
We just got a fresh load, it's a lot of you. That boy only first grade, you don't matter that. Rock him out the palm, baby, drive yourself, so I don't got the palm. Upgrade my jewelry, my watch is up the palm. We gon' hit the head and watch the body fall. I'm going ghost, I ain't taking no more calls. That pussy pop, gotta give her her applause. I want this top, hey, the Brody, them a job. I put it up, we forever living large. You be okay with me to tomorrow. 25,000 for a jack. Well, when niggas acting like they getting active. No, ain't no, she ain't tryna let me get a crack. Go ahead and fast cars cutting up a traffic. One of those, we ain't nothing like these other rappers. But you be trying to say what she get at me. Yeah, right, man, going back to back. Yeah,
AMS TV.